So in this video, we're going to go over a retractable screen door. I'm going to show you how it works, how it gets installed, and how it benefits the customer. So the reason why some homeowners opt to have this kind of a door is because they really want to minimize the amount of obstruction that they have to look through to the outside. These screen doors, when they're open, when they're slid into their cassette, they don't show anything. You don't see anything from the inside. And from the outside, you basically only see a track at the top and the bottom and a little cassette with a pull handle next to the cassette on the side. And once you open the door, and it gets a little bit confusing what is open and what is closed, because when you typically open a door, you can walk through it. When you pull the screen to close it in so no flies get in, you will see a mesh in here. And again, there's really not much framing all around, and no framing of like swinging the door open one way or the other. Depending on your actual door, you may need just one single retractable door, or if you have a French door that opens out or in, then you would need to have two of these doors, and they would be configured in a French door style, so you would push them apart or pull them together to keep the bugs and everything out. So for this particular customer, we installed one retractable door, and we put it right in the middle of the door opening. And the reason for that is because one of the door slabs is actually inoperable. They don't open at all. Only one door opens. So in that case, we only needed to cover that one section, and we did not need to cover the other section. So before, the homeowner obviously had their regular door and they didn't have any kind of screen door. And they did like to open their doors to let in fresh air in the spring and the fall, whenever the temperatures are really nice outside. But the problem is that all the flies, all the bugs, the mosquitoes would come inside. And they really wanted to have a screen door, but not one of those like 70s screen doors that swings out and it's all aluminum. They wanted something that would match their frame, their trim all around, that would kind of blend into their existing door. It is fairly color matched to their trim all around. And now when they open it or keep it closed, you barely see that screen door at all, but it provides that function of keeping the bugs out. The one drawback to this is when the door is retracted out, sometimes people don't even see the screen and they'll walk through it. So it's something to watch out for. Depending on the model you get, some of the models are more forgiving, where even if it comes out of the track, you can just retract it back and it goes right back into the track as well. Some people may suggest for you to put a motorized screen. That way you can just open it and close it with a remote control. When it comes to door entries, I wouldn't recommend that because it takes a while for the motor to wind up and roll the screen up or close it down. And in case of an emergency, you're trying to get out, you wouldn't be able to get out fast enough. So definitely don't recommend motorized screens for doors, for entries like this. Now for porches, for walls, like open walls in the porch, that's fine, that works great. For windows, if you want to shade the window in, but for doors, definitely don't recommend that. Now, if you have a big opening, let's say you have a bifold door that's like 10 feet wide, we do have options for wider openings like that as well. So if you are looking for motorized screens, check out this video right here. There are different versions, different models out there. You can reach out to us to find out more information. And if you're looking for any other products outside of the screen doors, reach out to us. We do porch enclosures with vinyl film stacking windows, with glass windows. Check out our website and you'll be able to see everything else we do out there.